Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to remove guidelines from specific cells in Microsoft Excel. So like you have guidelines and you want to remove guidelines from this specific data or cells. Select them in color, select this white and click anywhere. So we can see we can remove guidelines from here. Similarly, you can remove guidelines from specific column and rows. Just you have to select this white color. If you want to remove guidelines from entire sheet, so select and select white color. Another way, click on view. So click on view and select this one, guidelines. Show the lines between rows and columns in the selected to make the sheet easier to read. You want to remove, so just unselect it. Now click anywhere. So thanks for watching. This is the method guys to remove guidelines from specific cells in Excel. Share, like and subscribe this channel. Comment on this method work for you or not.